simple way of differentiating exponential function. Like if we have a function y which is equal to e power u of x, how do we differentiate this one? How do we find dy dx? This is equal to what? This is equal to what? So when we are differentiating an exponential function, the rule says that if you have e power u derivative is equal to u derivative e power u. That is when you have an exponential function with base e. But what happens when you have an exponential function with other base which is not base e? Like when you have a power u derivative, another base which is not base e. Like if you have a which is an integer, which is a positive integer, So this is equal to always u derivative a power u, but we multiply with ln of that base. So let's take an example. If y is equal to e power 3x negative 1, then dy dx is equal to what? Dy dx is equal to 3x negative 1 derivative then e power 3x negative 1. And this is equal to 3 e power 3x negative 1. That is dy dx. Can you try this one? Or do you have any suggestion? Any comment, any question? Let's meet in a comment. And remember to subscribe, remember to like. Thank you very much.